Hey Scampers, I'm back. This is just a quick little video to show you how I maintain the wheel bearings in my Scamp trailer. When I was at the Scamp factory and doing my walkthrough, they recommended that every 5,000 miles you put on the trailer, you just pump a couple pumps of grease into the wheel bearings, and that's what I'm going to do. This is not the main maintenance you do every 10,000 miles where you want to check it visually and replace all the old grease with completely new grease. This is just a simple little maintenance thing that you do about every 5,000 miles on the trailer. So if you have a different philosophy, that's cool, but this is what Scamp told me to do, so that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to use a grease gun and some lithium grease, and I'll show you how I do it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is load this grease gun. I'm going to show you how I do that. It's pretty simple. Just pop off the top. You're going to pull the bottom out here. There's a little notch you want to get this into, so you pull it all the way out. And eventually, when you get it out far enough, it'll slide over. It'll catch right there in the little notch. You take your lithium grease. I had a little glitch with my camera giving out, but I got the grease loaded. The next step to do is to just remove this dust seal off of your hubcap here. You want to do it with a flathead screwdriver, and you want to do it carefully. Try not to damage it while you do this. Should just peel right out. It is. Then, according to Scamp, again, this is not coming from me, this is coming from Scamp, every 5,000 miles, you just want to pump a couple pumps of grease in here. So you just attach this portion of your grease gun right onto this little valve right here. And they said to only do 2 or 3 pumps because you don't want to blow the seal out in the back. So I'm just going to give it a little 1, 2, 3. All right, now that I've put some fresh grease in there, I'm just going to put my dust cap back on. And according to Scamp, you just do that every 5,000 miles. At 10,000 miles on the trailer, you want to take them all the way out, do a visual inspection, and replace all the grease in your bearings and give it fresh grease. But I'm going to do this to the other side, and that's it. So that's it. That's what Scamp told me to do every 5,000 miles or so. At 10,000 miles, I will visually inspect my wheel bearings and replace all the grease, get the old grease out, put completely new grease in. And if you have a different philosophy at 5,000 miles, that's cool, but this is what Scamp told me to do. Important things to remember: that you only use 2 to 3 pumps of grease so you don't blow out the seal in the back and let the grease leak out the back. That would do more damage than good. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this one, check out some others while you're here.